Okay, will do. Bye-bye. I could really use a snow day. Let me look that up. How to get a snow day. Step 1. Eat a bunch of ice cream. It's not enough. Whatever I've got to do. Step 2. Put a white crayon inside the freezer. That's not enough.
Oh, please, no.
This'll do. Step 3. Flush an ice cube down the toilet? That's not enough.
Where are you going?
Don't worry about it.
A bag of ice?
Oh, a call from the school.
Dear parents, students, and staff of HES Academies, all HES Academies will be closed tomorrow due to inclement weather.
It worked.
The purpose of this film is entertainment. This is not an official notification of Snow Day. Please follow local news channels and official school communication via robocall, remind, or school social media and website for official notification of snow days or school closures. For clarification or any question, please contact the school directly. Thank you.